Hello and welcome, my friend. In today's video, as every week, I came to analyze for you the market. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, to subscribe in our channel to support us. And if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about forex trading or trading in general, then down there is a couple link to one of my best courses. Is going to take you step by step from scratch to pro. Plus, if you want to use my favorite brokers, down in the description or in the first comment, you're going to find my highly recommended forex brokers. So let's dive into the lesson of today. So the first pair we got is Euro USD, and as we said last week, is going to, let me zoom it like that. We said last week is going to touch here, and from here it's going to fall down, but it doesn't, because they've been waiting for interest rate of European Union and UK. So that's what happened here. They still ranging like that, as you see it. So my friend, me personally, I entered the first one from here. Then the second one, I put it in the peak of that one. Then on Friday it came, it touched it. Then from here it went down, and here I close everything. So I haven't lost nothing. And even this week, we still, our view trade will touch that zone, and from that zone it will fall down again. The zone is at 1.19522. Take profit, it's 1.18793. Let me analyze for you the RSI. As you see in the RSI here, we got a downtrend, and the price now we touch it. It touched it here, as you see it. Then from here it went a little bit like that. So our view, it might from here it will go down or go back and touch it up again. Then from there it will go down. So you enter depending on your trading strategy. May I give you just the view to the market, the direction of the market. It's a bearish pair. Internet only sell, don't buy it. So the other pair we got is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD, and that one, same story. We said last week is going to touch that line here, then from here it will go down. It touched it here in that candle, and from there came and go up. Now it's going a little bit like that. So our view to it will go up and touch one of the two lines, maybe that one, and from there it will go down. It's a bearish pair, don't enter buy in it. So the first, maybe you're going to enter from 0.76404 or from 0.76822. Target, you take it at 0.74800. I think the picture is very clear. And by the way, in the weekly time frame, the forex pair doesn't move a lot. So you take profit every week, and like that you're going to grow up your small account. Let me analyze for you the RSI. That in daily, as you see, we got here a downtrend line. Picture is very clear. Let me zoom it like that to show you something more clear about it. As you see here, the RSI touched the oversold area. Then our view to it will go up again and touch the trend line, and from here it will go down to that area. I think the picture is very clear. So you enter from here, from that zone. Target is going to be at oversold area. The other pair we got is the British Pound USD, and that one, same story happened. We said from here enter short, then from here it will go up, that squeeze. Then from there it came the news, they push it very down. So let me explain to you something. As you see, we got here that line here. I will tell you why, because if you see here what we got, that the shoulder, the head, and here another shoulder. Sorry, it looks like something ridiculous, but so how to calculate it? To do it like that, to bring that small thing like that, you put it from the top of it till the neck here. Then you calculating to them. Let me zoom it out like that to show you. You put it like that, but you're going to enter only if a candle cross here and getting close down here. I think the picture is very clear, but my view to it will go up and touch that area again, or maybe here, exactly here, where is the news came, till here. Then from there it will fall down again. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. So it might you enter from 1.40.066, or the target is going to be at 1.36798. Let me analyze for you the RSI. And the RSI, as you see, we got here a downtrend, as you see it. So our view to it will come down and touch the oversold area. Then from there it will go up. Then you enter from when he touching the trend line and sold at the oversold area. I think the picture is very clear. So the other pair we got is USD CAD. USD CAD, that one, if you see here what we got something. It called the COP. As you see it, at the COP. And that one, how you calculate it, the same story. You bring something like that, you put it in the top of it like that, here. And the down line of the COP. Then you hold it like that, you put the target here. So our view to it will go down till that zone here. Let me zoom it out to show you the clear picture. But the target for it, from here, when it touches it again, it will go up. Because they can't allow the market to run like that. Need to get the picture very clear with those people, and because there is a support here. So let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI here in 4 hours, we used to have a uptrend. It's getting broke here. To make that retest again like that. From here it will go down till the oversold area. From here it will go up to the overbought area. So you enter from the oversold area to the overbought area. That depends on your trading strategy. I got more here in the daily. In the daily, we used to have that downtrend line. It's getting broke here. The price it went up till the oversold, overbought area. Then from there, for view to it will touch the trend line here. And when it touch it, from there enter buy. Target is at the overbought area. I think the picture is very clear. The other pair we got, my friend, is USD Japanese yen. And the one for long run, still bullish. But for small time frames, like for weekly, it's going to make a correction. And I will tell you why. As you see, we got that triangle there. I zoom it again. We got that triangle. Sorry. We got that triangle, the one, and the one. The one, the price haven't touched it yet, but that overview to it will come down and touch it. And that's what else we're doing. So as you see, the price, that one is getting moved. So as you see, the price is touching that zone here, then it went down, then it came down to touch it again. So that way may I make it like that, or maybe it will go up and touch that up of the triangle, and from there it will fall down to that zone. So if you enter here, put a tight stop loss, because it's a bullish, not bearish. Then you can take the first target here, that zone. Let me show it to you at 110.216. Second target is at 109.529. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got is the gold. The gold, as we said it for it last week, is going to be bullish, but doesn't move because it's being sideways. As you see it all the week, it's been like that. But if you enter from down here, you take some profit. But our view to it is it will still go up. So our view to it will go down and touch that trend line, sorry. And from here it will go up. Can take the first target at 1810.87. Second target at 1861.81. And the highest target for that for long run is at 2073.83. And as you see, we got the trend line here, the uptrend, and the one used to be a downtrend. The one is a downtrend, so you need to break both of them like that, like that. From here it will go up, but you will not reach sell there. Take the first one here, second one here, and move the stop of you behind it, so you are always in profit. Let me analyze for you the RSI to show you the picture more. As you see here in the RSI, we got a triangle, the one, and the one. That is the down of the triangle. So the prices came from here, the RSI came from here, touching the up of triangle. So our view, it will go down and touch the down one. Then you enter from the oversold area. Target is it at overbought area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The last pair we got is USD Mexican. And that one, our view to it is it bullish. And I will tell you why. Let me first show you the zones. So as you see, it might you enter from here from 19.6006 or 19.5117. Target is it at 19.9984 or 20.2791. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI and tell you why. Because we got here a divergence, as you see it, and here. So our view to it will go up again and touch one of those zones. That's it, my friend, for this week. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification for all our latest updates to reach to you. See you in the next week. And by the way, in this week, in the middle of it, when the new month starts, I'm going to make for you a monthly review or a monthly analysis for the stock market and crypto market. So see you in the middle of this week. Bye for now, my friend.